Guys, this will be a quick video tutorial on Midjourney video, how to use video inside of Midjourney, what you can do with it, what are the prompts, etc. So we're going to dive deep into it really quickly. So I've generated a couple of images here of a basketball player in a field in a cinematic setting, and what you can do then is use the image that you've generated, and down here you have a section called animate image, right? So here you have auto and then you have manual, and what auto is that it will automatically do the prompting for you and generate some kind of motion. With manual, you can write your own prompt, what you want it to do, right? So, and then you have low motion, high motion. That basically differentiates if you want to make it do some low motion or a high motion, if it's like a action scene or something like that. So with this, I'm going to do a low motion auto. So we're going to see how that will pan out. And then I'm going to do a manual high motion. And then, in the field goes. Okay, so now we've submitted two videos, one with auto, one with manual. Probably the auto is going to use the prompt that I have already used for it to generate, and then the manual, we told it what it should do. So we're going to see the outcome of it in just a second. What's a really cool feature about Midjourney video is that you can actually see how it's generating images inside of the video one by one. So it's not like other video generators where you just see the final video and you have to wait like for 2-3 minutes. You can see here straight away the motion of it, how it's generating and how it's putting it together. So that looks really cool. What is a downside of Midjourney video at the moment is that you can't actually do very high quality videos. It has a very good contextual awareness. It knows how to use hands, etc. But it does not know how to do it in a high resolution, which is of course understandable because it just came out, is the first version of it. However, we're expecting it to get into a much higher resolution fast. So we've got it here, some low motion. We can see how he's dribbling around, how he's playing with the basketball. Here the motion is totally off. This is actually pretty good. The shoes are very good. The ball didn't go there that well, and there are some really cool ideas, but it's not something super duper awesome or perfect at the moment. And then we can go here. We've already got the other video. This doesn't look right. We've got the mom at a car. It's interesting that the mom is white when he is black. Yeah, and then we can see the hands not doing that well. What's really cool is that you can extend the video. We'll do manual. People enter the car and leave the playground. So we're going to do that. You can extend it, and then you can also download it over here, right? So you've got a download video for social media that's going to be in a slightly higher resolution in a different bitrate, and then you have just download. So that downloads a smaller version that you can use for editing. I don't think it's upscaled. It's like a raw file. This is a slightly upscaled video. And with this video, you can then upscale it through like Topaz or something like that. Okay guys, so we've got this video rendered out, and now we can use that. This is super funny. And it didn't go as well as we thought it would go. So this is a little bit crazy. But this is basically how Midjourney video works at the moment. So nothing super duper big. It's cool that it's integrated, but I would still use other tools like Kling or VO. There's a lot of better tools out there. So this was a quick look at Midjourney video, and see you.